Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about us like we care about us? You say let it breathe, but this pain of my heart can't let it be. We both can agree. Tell me what is the point of nothing burns like the cool days. Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about us like we care about us? We can't let it be, 'cause we live in a time of make-believe. We both can agree that we're reaching the point of nothing burns like the cool days.
Good morning, darling. I see you falling in and out of love. Is it because you're cold and heartless, or is it all withdrawals? Forgotten how to be a part of that final scene in Casablanca. I guess the heart is like a time bomb. No white horse for you to ride on. Bygones be bygones. My God, you're beautiful. If it was two of you, probably break the first one's heart in two, but second time the charm. I had a dream. You lock your father's arm and mosey down the highway. I know you probably had a wild day, so you should make your way to my place, and we can talk about the things you want to talk about.
You know, I know, you know.